Assalamu alaikum guys, today my new drone has arrived. I'll bring it close, bring the camera close. On this. You don't cook toward yourself really. Oh, put it on pause. Okay guys, we moved all that off. We're gonna put this to the side. Bismillah. Memory card 64 GB. Don't need that. Okay. Pause it baby. Okay, it's come packed already. Let's take everything out. Okay, very heavy box. Just leave that in there. I think the Mavic Air bag was a bit better. You know, it had more compartments in. You kind of understood everything better. It's better with the fly mode combo. Yeah, it is. Okay, pause that. Okay, it's arrived, alhamdulillah. 3 batteries, 1, 2, 3, remote, charger, and that's it really. Propellers are going to be in the box, in this box. We put the propellers on. We're going to charge the battery first, okay? And inshallah then we'll get back to you. So, assalamu alaikum.